Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here at Dawn's Appliances. I'm in the Miele studio and I'm talking about the auto cook setting. That's on all your wall ovens and ranges. Auto cook really takes Miele's cooking to the next level with the options they give you. Miele goes very in-depth with this cooking procedure of recipes. Anything from A to Z, from recipes to casseroles, side dishes. I mean, they even sanitize cookware in this setting. So let me go to auto programs, just highlight. You go from anything from bakes and grains and eggs, meat, pastas. They even have a pizza and company in a pastry shop setting, okay? So sky's the limit when it comes here. So we're talking about quiches, salmon tarts, pizzas. Let's just go right here, a yeast dough, and then it'll tell us what shelf level to put it on. This is another feature that's exclusive to Miele. You can go lighter or darker. You can really select this. This helps with the convection, okay? So the fan speed goes at different levels. The broiler goes at different levels to get it darker or lighter, depending on what you like. So you did okay right here. Then it'll say place the food in the oven after your preheating phase. So now we'll hit start and display actions. We'll set in the timer and we'll really go. The oven lights up, preheats, and it's just that easy. Then we put in, the product we're going for. But think about, the ease, the efficiency, and this is auto cooking at its finest from Miele.